Hey, today at AIT we're looking at the 1350 PM. 1350 PM. So that's going to be a platen press with a 16 by 20 inch platen, 16 inches wide, 20 inches deep. And then the PM, if you think about 1350 PM, stands for pneumatic manual. So the 1350 has two buttons on each side of the handle here that is pressed to close this machine. So it's an automatic machine from the standpoint of the temperature. The dwell time is all programmed into the machine, and once the dwell time is finished, here is 40 seconds. Once that's finished, then the head comes back up. I say the head, the top heated platen. So the 1350 is what is called a swing away model. So this will swing off to the side, let the operator load product here on the bottom platen, bring it back over, and use the two button close that you saw on the other side and here in order to initiate the cycle. This particular machine has both top heat and bottom heat. So this one has the bottom heat option. We're not using it right now, but you can see the set point here. You can change that, by the way. And here's the top heat heating up right now. The set point is 204. All these machines are in Celsius, and you can kind of see the temp strips that are used to QC this machine in order to check the temperature before it ships out. So the 1350 is a tabletop machine. You can see here we've got it on one of our stands. We can offer a stand optionally. The top head is on an air cylinder that runs this up and down, and then we've got this conduit and quick connections here that carry the electricity from the main control panel down to the platen itself, and also the thermocouple is in here in that connection. This one, of course, has two because this goes to the bottom heat, and the bottom heat is turned on and off here. If you don't need the bottom heat, obviously we don't, and we have it turned off. Otherwise, the main switch starts and initiates everything. Machine uses compressed air, so there's a compressed air regulator, main regulator on the left-hand side, and then these machines are 220 volt three-phase, so they'll come with a 10-foot long wire and some conduit here that can be connected on a plug or directly to a junction box like we have here at AIT. So there's the 1350 PM. We have another version of this we call it 1250 PM, and it's the same everything as you see, except the bottom has a pull-out tray instead of the swing away. With the 1250 PM, of course, you can't have bottom heat because the bottom tray comes out, and electrically we can't don't offer that. But that is the 1350 PM from AIT.